Yeah?
Oh, honey. What is that? Honey, will you help him like start to tear it?
Here. You tear the paper off.
What is that? Let him do it. Let him do it.
Damn, I was just loosening it up. Yeah, here, get it. Get it all. Get all that paper off of there.
It's nice and noisy.
Make a big mess.
What's in there, Wes? Go see. What is
Hey.
it?
Hey, Scram.
Hey,
Go lay down.
go back by Daddy.
Hey, go lay down.
What does Daddy have?
Go lay down.
What is it?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. And Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
Oh, board books and a card, I think.
And a card.
Or an envelope. What is that? Is it a book? It's a book. Do you like your new book?
And a gift card for Starbucks.
Ooh.
Ooh, Mommy will use that.
Heck yeah. Oh, careful. We're already, like, almost breaking our new book. Ah, tissue.
I wonder if it'll be a mess.
Oh, we're going to have fun at Christmas.